Best Gemini features you should use. Have you ever wondered if you're truly getting the most out of your AI assistant? I've been working with Google's Gemini for a while now, and I've noticed something. Most people only scratch the surface of its capabilities. They use it for quick summaries or basic questions, but they miss out on the truly game-changing features. So, after spending countless hours experimenting, I want to share the 5 best features I use daily that dramatically improve my productivity and quality of work. These aren't the generic features you read about, these are the ones that make Gemini a powerhouse. 1. Real-time access to Google services. This is arguably the single biggest differentiator, and it's what I rely on the most. I'm not talking about a simple Google search. I'm talking about native, seamless integration with tools like Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Docs. My experience: need to find a specific document from 3 months ago but can't remember the file name? I don't go manually searching Drive. I just prompt Gemini, find the latest Q3 marketing strategy document that colleague's name shared with me and summarize the action points. It securely searches my Drive, finds the document, and generates the summary. No context switching, just instant results. 2. Multimodal understanding, vision. Gemini isn't just a text bot, it can see. The multimodal capability, specifically the visual input, is a workflow transformer. My experience: let's say I'm looking at a complex electrical diagram or a dense infographic. Instead of spending 15 minutes trying to decipher it, I simply upload the image and ask, explain the main component relationships in this diagram, or what is the key takeaway from this chart. The analysis is precise, rapid, and incredibly helpful for speeding up technical comprehension. 3. Deep contextual memory. Unlike earlier models where every new query felt like a new conversation, Gemini retains the context of our entire chat history, even across sessions, provided I keep the specific chat open. My experience: I often use this for developing large, structured projects. I might start by defining the structure of a presentation, then in the next session, I prompt, based on the presentation structure we created yesterday, draft the content for section 3 on the competitive landscape. It remembers the entire project scope, ensuring content consistency and saving me the time of having to re-explain the brief. 4. Advanced coding and debugging. If you're a coder, this feature alone justifies using it. Gemini is a brilliant pair programmer, not just for writing boilerplate code, but for sophisticated debugging and code transformation. My experience: I recently had a piece of Python code that was running inefficiently. I pasted about 100 lines and asked, refactor this code to use list comprehension where possible for better performance, and add clear doc strings. Within seconds, I received a clean, optimized block of code with the requested documentation. It's an unparalleled time saver for code review and optimization. 5. Complex planning and iterative refinement. For anything that requires multiple steps, like planning a detailed itinerary or structuring an educational course, Gemini shines through its ability to handle complex, chained prompts. My experience: I start with a vague request, like create a 5-day itinerary for a trip to Tokyo focused on culture and food. Once the initial draft is generated, I don't start over. I refine it. Day 3 looks too packed, swap the morning activity for a calligraphy class, and find a highly rated ramen spot near the afternoon museum. It updates the plan logically and flawlessly, functioning like a dedicated project manager. These 5 features: the integration with Google services, the visual understanding, the deep memory, advanced coding, and complex planning, are the secret sauce to making Gemini an indispensable tool in my workflow. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.